Go.
Okay. This is the...
I don't think it's actually snowing.
Okay, this is the Arctic plunge.
Wait a minute.
White Runner. This.
Well, wait a minute. We haven't even seen the White Runner. What is it?
This is the White Runner course, Camden. White Runner course.
Okay.
This is the American Plunger. No? Deep freeze. And
No, wait, that's
What's Sadie doing?
Sadie is doing the Arctic Flyer.
no, flying over Antarctica.
Flying over Antarctica. And that's the biggest. This is our
Okay,
biggest
now-
part of it.
Okay.
That's the fun house of this.
Oh yeah.
What?
This is the Arctic Fun House.
Sadie, you want to explain? Or someone get in there and show us what you do.
Fun with snow bouncing.
Yeah. And you guys throw snow at each other.
Okay.
What?
And up
Okay.
here is
There's little Roxy trying to get up.
its place.
That's where
This is where you can build stuff with snow. Called Arctic Crafting. Arctic Crafting. So you can like make anything you want.
And you can throw snow at each other.
Yeah. And this is
the kitty ride.
this is Teeny Tyke Mountain.
Teeny tiny mountain.
And over here is fun in the cold.
Very cool. So this is your backyard Disneyland.
And it's called Pluto's.
No,
Pluto's Winter.
It's Disney World. It's Disney World.
Okay, say bye.
We're out.
Wait a minute, guys. Get ready for
Out. No. Out. We're out.
Out.